Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable show movies in the cloud on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, we go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now tap on Content Restrictions. Next, enter the screen time passcode. And in here, tap on Movies. And we go down to the last option and tap on Show Movies in the Cloud. Tap on the toggle button to disable. Switch it on to enable these settings. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.